Greeting traders, are you curious about how a particular strategy fares in the real-world market? We'll put this strategy under the microscope on the Bitcoin chart using a 15-minute time frame. The outcome? Quite compelling, to say the least. Out of series of 100 trades, the strategy boosted a robust win rate of 81%. But that's not all. It racked in a whopping profit of 341% in just 15 weeks. These numbers underscore the potency of this trading strategy. So let's dive right in and unravel this cost-free strategy. Stay tuned. I'm thrilled to share with you a remarkable tool that can display multiple moving averages on your chart all at once. This tool goes by the name of 10 and 1 different moving averages. After you've incorporated this indicator into your chart, we'll delve into its configurations. I'll guide you through the process of adding 3 specific moving averages to your chart, just as I have done. Once that's done, I'll walk you through how to utilize them effectively to maximize your earning using these straightforward tools. On our chart, we have 3 types of moving averages: SMA 200, RMA 50, and EMA 21. It's important to note that these tools can help us pinpoint the market trends with a high degree of accuracy. For instance, if the RMA 50 is positioned above the SMA 200 and the price candles are also hovering above both of these lines, we can confidently say that the market is on an upward trend. On the flip side, if the RMA 50 dips below the SMA 200 and the price is also beneath these 2 moving averages, it's a clear identification of a downward trend. Also, if the price and moving average lines are intertwined and essentially horizontal, and it's challenging to discern the order of these lines, it means the market lack of a clear trend, and it's advisable to refrain from trading in such situations. Furthermore, if the price is positioned between the 2 moving averages, RMA 50 and SMA 200, it could signal a correction or a trend change. In these instances, it's best to wait until the trend becomes clear before initiating a trade. Before we can explore the optimal approach for initiating a trade using this strategy, we first need to finalize our step. This involves incorporating the fish sniper indicator into our chart. After the fish sniper indicator is in place, we'll need to fine-tune a few settings. This particular oscillator, with swings above and below zero line, serves as a tool to either validate or refute the signal generated by our strategy. If the band of the indicator is situated above the zero level, a formation of a buy signal. On the other hand, if it's positioned below the zero level, it validates a sell signal. With that in place, let's delve deeper into the specific rules that govern the initiation and conclusion of trades within this strategy. To successfully trade with this strategy, we need to follow 4 crucial steps. Let's break it down. Starting with a buy trade. The first step is to confirm that the trend is on the rise. After that, keep an eye out for the price to react to the EMA 200 moving average. Then hold tight for a candle to surge above the EMA 21. The next move is to get a buy signal confirmation from the fish sniper indicator. So, if all these 4 conditions align, you're all set to initiate a buy trade. And when it comes to setting a stop loss, you have 2 options. Either use the recent swing low or the RMI 50 line. Lastly, aim for a trade target with a risk-reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. And to execute a successful short trade with this strategy, the initial step is to verify that the trend is descending. Subsequently, watch for the price to bounce back to the EMA 21. Next, stay patient for a candle to plug below the EMA 21. The subsequent action is to receive a sell signal confirmation from the fish sniper indicator. So if all these conditions synchronize, you're ready to kick off a sell trade. And when it comes to establishing a stop loss, you can choose between the recent swing high or the RMI 50 line. In the end, set your trade target with a risk-reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. That's all for today's video. If you're eager to learn more, don't miss our next video packed with a valuable trading strategy. Click on the recommended video and let's continue this journey. Happy trading!